How to connect an LG air conditioner to Wi-Fi. Congratulations on your new LG air conditioner. If your air conditioner is Wi-Fi enabled, LG ThinQ technology will let you conveniently control it from virtually anywhere. Start and stop the cooling, change the mode, or set the temperature while you are away, right from your smartphone. Let's connect your LG air conditioner to Wi-Fi. First, make sure the unit you have is Wi-Fi enabled. Then download the Smart ThinQ app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and follow the instructions to install and create an account. Now power on the air conditioner. On the ThinQ app, tap the plus sign to add your device. Tap Select Device, then tap Next. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of smart appliances, and select the type of air conditioner you have from the list. Follow the instructions on your smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi. Then press the fan speed button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi light starts to blink. Note that this varies from model to model, so check the owner's manual for the button location. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app. You are now ready to use the ThinQ features on your smartphone for your LG air conditioner. Note that there is no limit to the number of compatible LG air conditioners that can be registered per user, and no limit to the number of users that can be registered per unit. Visit lg.com/discover/ThinQ to explore smart air conditioner features and capabilities. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.